guys, what's up? We're doing a try not to laugh challenge today, joke edition. We're here with D-Man Gaming. You can see him because I'm on a Skype call with him.
Yeah, I'm currently working on the elliptical.
Caught him at the right time.
Alex got me a horrible time.
You might not be able to see my face cam, but you should be able to see it down in the right corner of my screen because I'm on a Skype call with Garen. So, yeah, let's do this. And Garen can also see me looking straight at the camera.
Yeah.
Because I'm using the same camera for both. But anyway, yeah, guys, I got a brand new camera for the Xbox recording, so we're gonna be good. I got a table up there ready for a Fortnite video later today if Garen's down. With just me and Garen.
We all know that I'm better than you.
Yes, everybody knows that because I was at Fayetteville Nutrition. Shout out to Fayetteville Nutrition, by the way. Over on E-Mission Boulevard. I was with a kid, that was watching Fortnite and seeing how bad I suck because he wants to play later with me. But guys, let's get right into it. Joke edition. Garen, you want to start us off?
I can't think of anything right now.
Okay, let me see. Why can't dinosaurs clap?
Because you're dead.
Dang it, Garen! Oh, I laughed.
Don't play free.
Okay, no laughing.
What kind of bagel can fly?
A plain bagel.
Yep.
I'm not laughing, I'm good! Oh, I laugh at everything, guys. This is gonna be hard. When it comes to using the restroom, who are the best people?
Europeans.
I'm going to look this up. By the way, I'm just stealing this all off of
What's the most
Sundays.
popular place in the world?
What?
What's the most popular place in the world?
A graveyard, because people are just dying to get in there.
Yep.
That was a fail. I need an editor real bad, guys. Okay, I'm not laughing at a joke. Okay, I'm just laughing at myself. Okay, so it's 1 point. Okay, no laughing. We're restarting the score because I'm not keeping score right now. Okay, so
1-0.
it's 1-0.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Okay,
Football.
guys, I got 3 monitors, so when I need to use something for something else, I can just do this.
Yeah, he's probably watching YouTube in the background.
I'm on a dark humor. Oh, this is actually... Okay, this is dark humor. No. This is dark humor. The gang look. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Garen, can you still hear me?
Yes.
Good. Oh, traveling car. This is me and Garen's thing.
What? You're looking at jokes, aren't you?
Uh-huh.
That's some cheating. Let's come up with
I don't get these. Okay, alright, funny jokes. Funny cokes. I said jokes. Okay, guys, this might be a slow video. Joke official site. Okay, Gucci. Police jokes. Yes. There was a man named George driving it in his car in the middle of the night on the highway. He drives until he sees a stop sign and slows down, but keeps going. A police officer sees this and pulls George over. George, is there a problem, officer? Police, yeah. You just drove past a stop sign. George, I slowed down. Now if I will be on my way. The police officer pulls him over, pulls him out of his car, and begins beating George with his nightstick. Police, would you like me to slow down or stop? I'm laughing at my own joke. 2-0.
That's another point.
Did you get it?
No, yeah, I got it.
I laugh at everything. Garen, it's your turn.
I laugh a lot, you laugh a lot.
Okay, Garen, it's your turn.
I'm sweating.
Okay, Garen, you got a joke?
Yes, I'm thinking of it. Let's say joke with the new dad.
That was my joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Who?
But no, I actually screwed that up so badly. Knock knock.
Who's there?
I'm deaf.
I'm Dev. Who?
What?
Okay. Caller. Dials in 911. Hello, officer. I broke my arm in 3 places. Officer. Then stop going to those places.
What?
Did you not get it?
No, I didn't.
Let me read it again. Caller. Dials in 911. Hello, officer. I broke my arm in 3 places. Then stop going to those places is what the officer said. Did you not get it?
Yeah, I get that. But I've heard that one before.
Okay. Your turn. That's 3 points.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing at the next joke.
Can't say it.
Okay. God created earth and heaven. The rest was made in China.
Hmm?
God created earth and heaven. The rest was made in China.
That was good.
I'm trying not to laugh still. I'm actually getting ready to cry. Oh, I'm good. This should be live streamed. Okay, Garen, your turn.
I don't know any jokes.
Okay, then I'll guess I'll just read all my jokes. A Democrat walks into a doctor's office with a frog sitting on his head. The frog looks at the doctor and says, "Hey, doc, can you get this wart off my butt?"
What?
Except it says a completely different word.
What?
A Democrat walks into the doctor's office with a frog sitting on his head. The frog looks at the doctor and says, "Hey, doc, can you get this wart off my butt?" That doesn't make me laugh. But Garen's trying over there. I know he's laughing eternally. Okay. I once met a honest, caring politician that listened when I spoke and tried to help the country. Then I woke up.
I don't understand.
Neither do I. I'm moving on. Scientists invented a machine to catch thieves. At 30 minutes in Canada, the machine caught 10 thieves. In 50 minutes in the U.S., the machine caught 5 thieves. In 3 minutes in Trinidad, thieves stole the machine.
Okay.
I don't understand. Yo mama jokes. Okay, this should be good.
Oh gosh.
Yo mama's so ugly. When she goes to the store, she makes the onions cry.
Yeah, I've heard that one. I've heard a lot of your mama jokes.
The picture.
Yo mama is so fat when she plays Fortnite, she farts out the store. Little Fortnite joke. Just to hype up the Fortnite video coming later today on Alex's channel.
Yo mama's so fat she can't even jump to a conclusion.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
All I hear from urine is clank, clank, clankety, clank.
No, hold on.
Is that your water bottle or something?
What?
Never mind.
No, it's the
Yo mama's so fat that she has to use a paint roller to put her lipstick on.
Yo mama's so short, she hang glides on a Dorito.
I've heard that one before. Up, up, up. Your mama's so fat she turned a monster truck into a lowrider.
Heard that one? Yo mama is so ugly, she turned Medusa to stone.
This one's good. Yo mama is so dumb that she makes you look like a genius.
I've heard that one.
Okay, your turn.
Yo mama is so dumb. She put 2 quarters in her ear and thought she was listening to 50 Cent. Oh, that's the laugh.
That wasn't a laugh. That wasn't a laugh. I'm good.
I said one.
I do want to laugh. So it's 4-0. Yo mama's so poor, when I ring her buzzer, she says bzzz.
Yo mama's so poor.
You laughed! You laughed! 1-4.
What?
I heard a small little laugh out of you. A small little laugh. Okay.
Yo mama's so
4-0.
poor. When I stepped on the cigarette, put it out, she said, who turned out the lights? In case you don't know that,
Woo!
he actually told me that yesterday. Kind of be silly.
Yo mama's so ugly she could make medicine sick. You're trying so hard.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
I'm getting this at jokesbest.com.
Yeah. I gotta still get Russian joke for you.
Okay.
In America, human drive car. And so it's Russia, car drive human.
5-0.
3-1?
What?
3-1.
No, bro, it's 5-0.
Oh.
I suck.
That's right, 5-1.
Yo mama's so flat, the wall is jealous of her. That's a compliment.
Dang, you need to work out and eat some more.
Okay, this is a good one. Yo mama is so old, her social security number is 00. I don't get it, because I don't know what a freaking social security number really is. Nope, don't need... no. Next page. Yo mama's so dumb, she stared at an orange juice carton because it said concentrate.
Yo mama's so ugly when the Kool-Aid man busts through the wall. She said, oh no!
Yo mama's so poor, when I ring the doorbell, she says, ding dong!
In America, fat kid chase ice cream truck. In Soviet Russia, ice cream truck chases fat kid.
Okay. Yo mama's so ugly, even Bob the Builder said, we can't fix it.
Your mama's so fat, and the Flash tried to run around her. He died before he got halfway.
Well, guys, I did hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button. Leave a big fat thumbs up. Make sure to go subscribe to G-Man Gaming. And like this video if you think he needs a new, if you think I should make him a new, logo. But guys, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Garen says bye.
Bye.
See ya.